Hello Gym Tech Buzz, new product in today from TORRAS. We've got a screen protector kit. So we've got one for the iPhone 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max. So we're going to show you what they look like. Both identical. So in the kit you're going to get your screen wipes. You have a little booklet there. This goes around your device and this gets rid of the bubbles. So that's what you're going to get in the pack. And in here is your adhesive repair patch, and this is the screen protector here. So you've got high hardness, anti-fingerprint, 10 times protection and easy install. So we're going to show you how that works in a moment. But people always want to know what these look like, and since we don't have the 13 Pro, what we're going to do is show you the glass here. So you've got the same again. This is what your glass looks like here, so that's what happens there, and that's what it looks like. So if you happen to drop your phone, it's just going to crack like that, so it'll protect your device. So that's basically what that looks like there, and now you have an idea. And we have little shards of glass on our table, but no big deal. But here we test things and show you how they work. So we do have a screen protector on our phone already, so we're going to have to remove it. It is a bit worn and torn at this stage, and trying to get a grip. So that's the old one there. Same idea again, as you can see. So what we'll do next is clean down the screen. So you get your little bits and pieces from here. So you have a screen wipe, and you've got this guy also picks up the dust when you're finished. So we'll clean the screen first, which is spotless anyway. But if you're going to do something, do it properly. So we're going to clean it down like so, and just get rid of all that there. And we are pretty much good to go. So that's basically what you'll have to do next, and just let it dry off. Blow it dry if you want, but you don't really have time for that here. So just give it a rub over then with the other cloth, and everything keeps popping up. So next of all, you get this guy here. So up on this you can see top, and you'll rest it on your phone like so. And what you'll do next is get the screen protection here. Pull this lid off, and you can see there's a gap on top there for the speaker. So basically you're just going to let it rest down on your phone like that, and you will then get this lad here to just close that first of all. So you can see there how it works, and what you do is just squeeze it down with this guy here, and then you should be able to get the bubbles out with this. So we're going to remove this here and get rid of the bubbles, and you can see them going, which is pretty cool. So basically that's all you're going to have to do, and you will have your screen protector ready and all done, and you wouldn't even know the case was there, and you can see that the screen works fine. There's no problems there, as you can see all over. So that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll leave a link below to where you can pick it up. It's TORRAS screen protector for the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro Max.